Hello! So these are the yellow beeswax pellets, I hope I'm saying these right, that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna list everything down below. And I used 1 tablespoon of these beeswax pellets, again, sorry if I'm not saying this right, and placed it in the microwave at 900 watts for 2 minutes until it became really liquidy, but it's gonna be really hot and make sure you're careful. Then I used 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. After that, placed it in the microwave again until it became very liquidy, and my chosen oil was tangerine because it's really uplifting. I really like it, but you can use any oil that you prefer. And thought I could scoop the oil with this syringe to place it in my desired container. That's it, you have a lip balm. Thank you for watching.